Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Kelsey. I do a lot of hair and beauty videos and a lot of other things in between. Today I'm going to be doing a review for you guys. I ordered a wig off of cranberryhair.com and I ordered through the direct site, not through AliExpress. I've never ordered through this site before, but I have seen a lot of YouTube reviews on it because they're really affordable wigs. But every review I saw was really like, it was one extreme or the next. So it's either they were really impressed with how good it was for the money, or it would be really bad. But then again, what did you expect? You know, you get what you pay for, it, that kind of thing. So I made this purchase knowing I'm probably not going to get the best quality wig because it was a little too affordable. I believe I paid, I'm trying to find it on my receipt, but I want to say it was like $60 or $80, I think it was 80. Something like that. Let me just get right into it. But it just comes in this, well, it came in a package, but it just came in this Ziploc bag. It's not like Love Me Hair or those other higher end wigs where they come in a nice fancy box. But that's okay. I ordered the 20-inch Peruvian deep wave. And since it's a curly wig, it's probably gonna look like it's about 16 inches. So here's the wig right here, but there's a hairnet on it. I didn't get the full lace frontal, I just got the 4x4 lace. So it's like just a closure basically. Just because I just wanted to try it out. So here is the wig. And my first impression is it's a little lighter than I expected it to be, because other wigs that I felt before were a lot heavier. I personally am not a huge wig wearer, which is why I wasn't too picky about where I bought a wig from. I just always wanted to get a curly wig. So basically I didn't mind not getting the nicest wig on the market. So I don't know if this is supposed to be pre-plucked or not. I don't think it is. Yeah, it's definitely not pre-plucked, but the lace, like the closure, it does look a little bit thin. I don't know if you could see that. I mean, it looks okay looking at the camera. But the hair is a little bit more spaced out than I expected, but that could just be me just loving thick hair. So this is what it looks like underneath it. It has 3 clips, so there's one down here. Oh wow, you can't see it. Well, anyway, so the clip down there, and then there's two clips, one on each side of the closure. And like I said, just a 4x4 closure, not a full lace front or anything. I would love to do an install for you guys, but unfortunately my free spray and everything is at the salon where I work at, because my last day working there, I didn't know it was my last day working there, so all my stuff is over there, so I'm not going to get to do like a good install, but I will still try it on somehow to show you guys. So anyway, back to my first impressions, or what I'm noticing. This lace is really dark. But, you know, I probably have to bleach it. But I also noticed that it's not a lot of it. Like, usually, like, nice lace wigs, there's a lot more in front to pull on. But it is what it is. It's a quick fix. I could just bleach it. It's obviously not an HD wig or anything like that. I mean, HD lace, but it seems okay. So, a lot of the bad reviews that I saw were saying that the hair sheds a lot, and that it smells funny, and that it tangles easily. So I'm not going to be able to tell you guys today if it tangles easy because I just got it. But as for the smell, I kind of smelled it as soon as I pulled it out of the package. But it doesn't smell bad, but it does smell synthetic, if that makes sense. I have clip-in extensions, and usually when I get those, they have the same kind of smell, and those are supposed to be human hair. So that's probably just the smell of hair. Like, not every wig or hair extension smells pleasant, but I won't say it smells bad. It just smells manufactured. Like, it smells, actually smells really plasticky when I put it close to my face. I mean, I don't mind, but I would have to wash it a couple times and let you guys know if I could get the smell out, because people were saying that it smelled really bad and they couldn't wash it out. So that's one thing I heard. But for me, the smell is bearable, but obviously if you're around people, you don't want your hair to be smelling like that. So yeah, that would be a little bit of an issue for me. But I feel like some conditioner would fix that. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm pulling on my hair right now, and yes, it is shedding. That's a fact. It does shed easily. Like, every time I do this, I'm pulling a couple strands out. Like 2 or 3. Not a lot, but still a lot for a wig that I just received. Oh, dropped my phone. But I'm just staying optimistic because, like I said, it was a cheap wig. Like, I mean, it was an affordable wig, but, you know, it means it was cheap. So you do get what you pay for. So I wasn't expecting the best, so I can't say that I'm disappointed. But there is something about it that I'm not liking, and I don't know what it is. I think it's just a little thinner than I expected it to be, especially for a curly wig. But it'll look nicer on. So I don't have any wig caps or anything either because it's all at work. Like I don't have my hot comb, I have nothing. But this did come with a little wig cap. So we're gonna try that. I'm not expecting the most from this, but we're gonna try and see if I can stuff all this in that wig cap. So here's the wig. Here's the cap. Oh, it has a hole in the top. It's not like a full dome cap. It's like a sock, like a cuff for your head. So we're gonna see what we can do here. Just gonna try and like pin this down somehow. Just because I feel like I can't be a real review if I don't even try it on. So obviously I'm not gonna get the best fit because my hair is not braided down and it's really poofy in the back. I just kind of pinned it back there, but I just want to give you guys an idea of how it looks. Like I'm really upset that I don't have my stuff to install it. I'm just gonna try this on. I'm gonna just use the pins to hold it, like the little combs, because I can't glue it. Let me push this back a little bit. Ooh, I kind of like how it looks already. It's like a cute little ponytail. Anyway, I'm just gonna pretend that I'm spraying stuff in my hair, you know, get the full effect. I'm installing a wig. It's not even a lace front, so I wouldn't even be doing all that, even if I could. But I'm just trying to get it's hard to do it using the camera screen. I need a mirror. I'm just gonna tuck the lace under just to get the effect of how it looks. Let's see if we can do a close-up. So anyway, here's my scalp. Like I said, the lace is very dark, so it doesn't look like a good scalp. With the lighting I have in here, it does look pretty decent, but I would definitely lighten it. I'm so sad I don't have my stuff with me to actually install this. I'm trying to make this work, guys. I'm trying to make this work. Okay, I tried to just give myself a center part. So this is how it looks. We're gonna have to use our imagination and pretend I laid my edges and everything, because I'm not gonna customize it if I can't actually like install it, you know. But this is how it looks. Like I said, it's 20 inches, but 20 inches is the length when it's stretched, but since it's curly, it's like a 16 inch, because these are pretty much where my 16-inch clip-in extensions land. So it's good, because I'm not really a long hair person, so this is a good length for me. Yeah, it looks a lot fuller now that it's on my head. I thought it was really thin, but I think it's just, I felt heavier wigs, and usually those are straight wigs, but it kind of makes sense, you know, like usually straight wigs, you add more hair for that fullness. For curly, you don't have to add as much. Okay, this hair is shedding a lot. I know I was kind of running my hands through it a lot to get it on my head, but this is a little ridiculous. Like, I feel like if I wear this on a regular basis, a month from now, there'd be nothing left on my head, honestly. So that's my main negative review. It just sheds too much for a wig that I just got. Besides that, I think it's good. You know, like, it feels like it's strong. I don't think the tracks are gonna pull out. Oh, the smell is a bit annoying too. I'll give it that. It's a little too, it smells fake. I don't think it's fake hair, but it definitely smells fake. Okay, I'm obviously feeling myself a little too much right now. But hey, I've been locked up for a long time, okay? I just want to look pretty today, and I'm trying, and this one lash keeps popping off my face, and I couldn't get, like, I don't know, I've just been trying to look nice. Like, I've been feeling like I'm in such a rut. Anyway, this isn't supposed to be a whole therapy session. It just feels nice to have some hair on. Okay, let me just wrap this up. My first impression is it is a pretty decent wig for the price that you pay. I do, even though I understand it not being so full, I do wish it was a little bit more full, but that's bearable. But it sheds a lot, so it's definitely going to get really thin really fast. And I could also see it tangling a lot too, but that's just a thing with curly hair. It just tangles, especially when it's not your hair. And it has a little bit of a smell, but I won't, like, it's not a stench, you know, like, I could deal with it as long as it will go away when I wash it. I think once I do the edges and everything, it'll look very natural. I just need to actually work on it and play with it a little bit more. But I do feel like it's a pretty good company. Maybe I'll do an updated review after I've worn it out for a while, but that's obviously going to be somewhere in the future whenever I get to leave my house. So anyways, I'm pretty much just addicted to looking at myself on the screen and checking myself out. So I think I'm going to have to just end my video so I can do that in peace. Oh, this stays on pretty nice even with just the clips. And I forgot to mention, it does have an elastic band in the back in case you guys are wondering. So it has a very snug fit, but it's very comfortable. And it's fitting very snug even under all my curly hair that I have under here. So that's nice. Alright, I need to stop. I need to just stop and post this video already. But this is what new hair does to you, right? You just wanna... I just love wearing new hair. I love hair. I love hair. Okay, for real guys, I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any thoughts that you would like to share. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!